Hey, what's up guys, this is Abhinav here. Samsung Galaxy S24 FE with Galaxy AI is launched yesterday. It comes with features like photo assist, stunning low light portraits with Pro Visual Engine, hyper realistic gaming experience and in 5 different colors: blue, graphite, grey, mint and yellow. It comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, shielding the front and back with IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, along with aluminium frame, with sketch to image, draw from scratch or on any photo that uses AI to transform that into an image. It has features like circle to search, live translate gives real-time voice translation on various apps, and when you make a call, works as your personal interpreter with translation, summarizing websites instantly. It has the most powerful camera ever in the FE series with 10 megapixel selfie camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel wide angle and 8 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. It captures stunning low light portraits with Pro Visual Engine. You can get clear shots from afar with optical quality zoom. You can light up your photos with Super HDR. You can create cinematic moments with instant slow-mo. Your selfies now become art with Portrait Studio. It gives you an immersive viewing experience with enhanced dynamic AMOLED 2x display with 17.01 cm Full HD plus 120Hz 1900 nits 1.9 mm slim bezel display. It comes with 4700 mAh battery with up to 81 hours listening time and 28 hours watch time. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.